Aice, Roimh, Thar.
Aice an cat in aice leis an madra. Bhuail mammy leis an bríomhaide sa bhaile mór. Stop an madra roimh an droichead. Bhuail mammo lena cara roimh am dinner. Léim daddy Thar an ngeata. Shiúil daddo Thar an gnuk.
Ceistena, ceiste héin, Cá has an cat. Ceiste dó, Cá bhuail mammy leis an bríomhaide. Ceiste trí, Cá stop an madra. Ceiste cahar, Cá léim daddy. Ceiste cúig, Cá shiúil daddo.
Okay, in aice, roimh, Thar means beside, before, and over. So in our first picture we've got Aice an cat in aice leis an madra. Aice means stood, so the cat stood in aice, which means beside, an madra. In aice leis means beside. So in aice leis an madra, beside the dog. Bhuail mummy, picture 2. Bhuail mummy leis an bríomhaide sa bhaile mór. So bhuail mammy means mammy met. Leis an bríomhaide, mammy met the principal. Sa bhaile mór, in the big town. So when you bhuail le somebody, you meet them. So bhuail mammy leis, mammy met. Okay, picture 3. Stop an madra roimh an droichead. So stop is the verb to stop. So who stopped? Stop an madra. The dog stopped. Roimh means before. An droichead, the bridge. The dog stopped before the bridge. The next picture. Bhuail mammo lena cara roimh am dinner. So again we've got bhuail and le. So bhuail mammo lena. Mammo, which is grandmother. Grandmother met lena cara with her friend roimh am dinner. So roimh means before, am dinner is dinner time. The grandmother met her friend before dinner time. Next one, léim daddy Thar an ngeata. So léim is the verb to jump. Who jumped? Well, daddy jumped. Thar means over. An ngeata, over the gate. And last one, shiúil daddo Thar an gnuk. So daddo walked. Shiúil is the verb to walk. Shiúil daddo Thar an gnuk. Daddo walked over the hill. Now let's have a look at the questions. Question 1. Cá Aice an cat. Where did the cat stand? To answer this, we're going to start off with the verb. Aice an cat, the cat stood, in aice leis an madra. Beside, in aice leis means beside, an madra, the dog. The cat stood beside the dog. Number 2. Cá bhuail mammy leis an bríomhaide. Where did mammy meet the principal? Bhuail mammy leis an bríomhaide sa bhaile mór. Mommy met the principal in the big town. Number 3. Cá stop an madra. Where, car means where. Stop, the verb to stop. An madra, where did the dog stop? So the dog stopped, stop an madra, roimh an droichead. The dog stopped before the bridge. Number 4. Cá léim daddy. Where did daddy jump? Léim daddy Thar an ngeata. He jumped over the gate. And number 5, Cá shiúil daddo. Where did daddo walk? Start off with the verb shiúil daddo, Thar an gnuk. Daddo walked over the hill. Great job.